Recording now. So I'm hanging out at the district office again with the diversity, equity, inclusion team. And we are CRCSD for Mr. Lemaster. But we are also excited to bring you announcements again today. So I'm going to do these things to the best of my ability. I even have some people joining me on remote location today, which is pretty awesome that we're going to kind of like double dip here. But let's start this thing off the way we do every day with the Pledge of Allegiance first and foremost. I know that it's on Ms. Bernstein's screen, so if you're like me and you don't have a flag with you, you can just peer at her screen, because that's what I'm doing. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. Here are your announcements. Actually, I think we have some right away. So Miss Chandler's screen has two guest speakers. I'm going to let you unmute yourselves and you can go live.
Hey guys, I'm Isla. I'm a drama officer for next year.
My name is EJ and I am next year's drama president.
And today is the last day to audition for our fall play for next year called The Laramie Project.
In order to, today, like Isla said, today is the last day to audition and also it's the last day to sign up. If you're interested in signing up, there are QR codes all around the school, posters hanging up. Scan them, you will find signups, you will find audition materials, and you will also find a audition form that you need to fill out. You will also know the dates of everything. We start the first day of August for rehearsals, but today is the last day of auditions, and we would really like a lot of our people to sign up.
Yep, and auditions are super low stress, so if you're into theater or you want to get into theater, this is a great chance. So find those signups.
Yeah, and if you have any more questions, you can come find one of us. We're happy to help you, or find one of our teachers, Ms. Tinkham, Mr. Sheets, and Mr. Willems. They will help you out with everything else.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, my fellow thespians, although they're far more accomplished than I ever have been or will be. Let me go over the other announcements. Today is an A-Day, which you should all know. Seniors, this is your last A-Day. That's a crazy thought. Last chance for CPR today with Ms. Hayden. That'll be available. So seniors, if you've not gotten there, make sure you get there. Library books are due also today for our seniors, everyone else on June 1st. Special shout out to all those who came out and supported the visual arts on Washington on last Thursday at the Frankfurter Festival. It was a wonderful show. We want to thank Barb Schultz, our local artist, for judging it. She said it was a very difficult job. That's because we have great warriors and great artists that I want to learn to be like one day. Congratulations to our winners. So our honorable mentions go to Hannah Ackerman for Cupcakes, Lillian Fusco with Kaleidoscope, Aiden Sasick with Surreal Landscape, Tommy Braxton with Vase with Plant, Cameron Baker with Surreal Landscape, Emma Cruz with Necklace, Sam Sturm's Man in Red Helmet, Louisa Clausen, Chest Set, and John Dorrance, which is Spinosaurus. Our third place is Julian Schumacher with Flowers. Second place is Kirsten Kuiper, Silence of Altered Chemistry. And the first place overall award goes to Caden Dorrance, which for Crow Having Fun. So congratulations to our artists. It really was some pretty cool stuff. And special shout out to our teachers, particularly Miss Schmelzer, and all the hard work they did to try and set things up so that these students could be recognized. I saw a lot of blood, sweat, and tears even on that day so that the display could look the way it's supposed to so that students could see it. So special shout out just to everybody who did a lot of great work there. For football, this announcement's for you. There will be a mandatory football meeting Tuesday the 30th at 7 a.m. in the old gym for anyone interested in playing football next year. So you better get up early that day. There's a chat reminder that I'll read at the very end. Today's events. Oh, Schmelzer is saying, no, Ennis did all this work. I saw you outside doing stuff too. My bad. Apparently she was just there making herself look busy, and it was really Miss Ennis who did it all. So special shout out to Miss Ennis as well. Today's events, we've got a baseball freshman game versus Kennedy at Daniels Park. We've got at 5 o'clock, a sophomore doubleheader versus Western Dubuque at AJ Spiegel Park, which I believe is there. We've got a varsity doubleheader right here at Washington High School, also versus Western Dubuque. And we've got softball tonight versus Linn-Mar. That's 9-10 team at Oak Ridge Middle School. We have no college visits. Our birthdays are Nasibu Aruna, Colton Rance, and Noah Van Meter. And before I go into the lunch menu, in case you did not see what was in the chat, a couple of things there. Graduation rehearsal tomorrow is for our seniors from 1:30 to 3:30. Do not be late. Everybody gets annoyed when you're not there, and we're going over the final points and details. And you'll need to arrive by 6:15 for commencement. You do not need to bring your cap and gown to rehearsal, and a lot of you will get your diplomas typically then, so make sure you don't forget them. And then also we talked about the Schmelzer NS Love Fest and how they shouted each other out, which we appreciate. Our menu for today, chicken tenders with Belgian waffles. So we're doing chicken and waffles today. Plus, we've got crispy chicken sandwich, the cheese pizza, the pepperoni pizza, and the chef salad. And your sides include orange slices, fruit cocktail, side salad, and green beans. Now that concludes your announcements for today. And all the way from the LSC to the world and everywhere else, congratulations, seniors. And one final time, if you're a senior, say it with me. It's always a great day to be a warrior. I'll see you all later this afternoon when I'm back. Bye.